The new shape queue type is used generally to make beam show content or abstract content and generate shapes and content from a list of commonly used predefined shapes to simplify and more quickly create effects for your lasers. To create a new shape, right-click on any empty cell in your workspace and click Create, New Shape. This will open the New Shape Editor window. At the top, you have your normal New, Open, and Save. You can publish your shape to the cloud, see the image properties for optimizing your frame for your laser, see the grid endpoints. Here you can freeze your queue if it does not have any motion and you have performance issues. You can also capture a single frame from this shape to use later on if you wish. Below all that is your main preview window, which is where a live preview of what your shape will look like is. On the right, you have the first tab where you can select and edit your primary shape. First, select which shape you want to work with: circle, vertical line, horizontal line, triangle, square, pentagon, and hexagon. On the right, you can decide if it's a smooth line or a pointed line. If it's a pointed line, you can choose to force corners or connect the points with visible lines. This means it'll be a point shape but connected visibly. Below that, you have size adjustment as well, as a number of points you want in your frame. Generally, more is brighter but less frame rate and may flicker, and less will be dimmer but have less flicker and higher frame rate. For when you are on point shapes, you can choose beam speed, which will move the beams along the shape's path like so. And also, while you are on points, you can select points per beam, which, just like points, more is brighter but less frame rate and may flicker, and less will be dimmer but have less flicker and higher frame rate. You can also select the overall color of the shape with these, or double-click on the last rectangle to select a specific color. Below that, you have access to the universal pool of effects to modify your shape and give it animation and movement. The next tab is the final effect, which can be added as another layer of effects. Most users won't need to use this, but it may be useful if you're trying to layer lots of effects at once, or order matters a lot. You can also show it now to see it in laser in real life and determine which zones you want to output to. When you're done, you can either save the shape as a file or press OK and it'll store it into the cell in the workspace. Thank you for watching our Quick Hints video on the Advanced Shape Editor window inside of QuickShow. If you still need help, you can contact our support line by emailing support@pangolin.com and we'll help as soon as possible.